Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ishowbeauty and you guys can call me Sha. Thank you so much for coming back, and if it's the first time here, hello. I really appreciate you for stopping by. So today I just wanted to show you guys how I create wet curls with my loose wave hair from Ishowbeauty. I've had this hair for a month and I posted a picture. I'll put it somewhere here. I posted a picture like 3 weeks or 2 weeks back, and I had the same hair that I've reviewed before with like some wet curls, and people were like, "Is this the same hair? How much is that hair?" I'm like, guys, there is a YouTube review about it. You guys can just go watch it, and don't forget I do have a discount code of 8% if you use my code, which is ISSP. I think I'm just gonna leave it somewhere here. Let's get right into it. So guys, now that you can see me up close and personal, let's do this thing. So this is how the hair looks. I'm gonna come closer. Yeah. So this is how after I washed the curls, I actually air dried them. I did not do any hot air whatever, and I also glued this part, just the closure here, because this is a three-part closure. I need a drink, guys. This is nice. That's really nice. So what you are gonna need, please try and listen. What I'm gonna show you what I use. This is not what everybody uses to make wet curls. Some people just use water, but then for me, I feel like the curls dry up, then go back to this texture, and that is not what I want. What I want is a wet look that lasts for like days. It might not be the best method, but in my experience and my preference, I love it. It works for me. But if it doesn't work for you, then sis, try somebody else before. Yeah, just try somebody else. So I'm going to open a parting here like that. Let me use this mirror. That one is too far. I'm just gonna open a parting here first. It was a free part closure actually. I can't remember. You're gonna need a water bottle. This is just water and conditioner, and then ORS wrap mousse, my favorite. You are gonna need the secret to all this is this Eco Styler. This is my secret to all my wet curls. So this is my parting. I'm gonna take some mousse, just like that. Oops. I'm gonna take some mousse and just flatten the top. Sometimes I do baby hairs, but now I'm going to bed. I'm gonna remove this wig and just go to bed. Can you guys sleep like with wigs on? Because I struggle. I got some makeup on my hair. Please comment below if you can sleep with wigs on. I can't. Like, I wanna be free when I'm asleep. I don't wanna have something holding on my head. So if your hair tangles, you can just brush through the curls. But what I've noticed with this hair is that if you wash it, it does not tangle. Like after washing it, this is how it looks. Let me just show you. See, there is no tangling. So you can just brush out the curls if you feel like they are tangling, but this one doesn't at all. It doesn't tangle. Like, you see that? Like, it's going smooth. There is not even one hair on this thing, so there's no need for me to do that. I'm just going to spray water just to define the curls a little bit more. So the reason why I'm saying that you can just spray the reason why I'm saying that you can comb through the hair first is that when you spray, your curls can be more defined. Imagine if your hair is tangled and then you spray water, you are still going to have to comb it again. So if your hair breaks a lot, it's best that you spray water first and then you just detail, because there's a little bit of conditioner in here. The conditioner is actually going to like smoothen your hair. But just look at this. So already, because this hair does not tangle, when I spray water, the curls are just more defined. So let me just do one side first, and then I'll do the other one. I'm gonna comb this one so that it becomes bushy. Yeah. So now that it's not too wet, it is wet, but it's not too wet. I'm gonna take the mousse. I'm not gonna take too much. Like I said, I'm going to bed. Probably gonna wear this wig tomorrow. So I just covered the entire section with mousse, right? And then this is how it looks. You can leave it at this point if you feel like what I'm doing is too much or too crazy. You can leave it here, but trust me, after 1 day or 24 hours, this thing is going to be back to normal. So I don't do that. Nah, honey, I don't do that. Go to my secret agent. I get some, this is the amount that I'm going to use for this part only. This is the amount that I'm going to be using. Yes, your hair is going to feel slimy a bit, but that's going to be for like 30 minutes. After that, your hair is not crunchy, your hair is not dry, your hair is just, it's just moisturized at the same time. It is wet. It looks wet, but it's dry, but it's not crunchy. I'm not saying all eco stylists do this. The one I showed you and this hair does that. Before you come for me like my hair is dry, my hair is whatnot. My hair doesn't get dry. Like literally the last time I did this, a guy walked close to me. He's like, your hair looks like it's dripping water. Then he touches it and I'm like, tell me, is it dripping water? So yeah, this is something that works for me a lot, and I feel like celebrities do this a lot. I've seen someone at a very close range and their hair looked like this. I don't touch them, of course. They wouldn't allow me to touch them anyways, but I usually saw this. So I want you to see this. Okay, I'm gonna put it on this surface. That's why I'm wearing a white gown, so that you guys can see how this looks. Yep, that is my secret. See? So I'm just gonna repeat those steps again. First, you brush the hair, you make sure it's detangled, or you can start with water, spray a little bit, make sure it's detangled and it's soaked and the curls are defined. Just make sure you enhance the curls with the ORS Wrap Mousse. And then this baby right here, she's a badass. And you know what, guys, I bought this for Tandigama. Like she's gonna kill me. I bought 3 of this in mainland. I think it was around June or July. I know Tandy uses this, so I bought this for me, and I bought one. I think I bought her 2 or something. Tandy was like, Pretoria is another world. She said something like that or something, I can't remember. So I ran out of mine, and then I went to Discam. They weren't finished, and I was like, okay, oops, Tandy, I'm gonna use it. Sorry, Tandy. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm talking about Tandy Gama. She is a YouTuber and influencer. She's very great. You can go check out her channel. Tandy Gama, you'll find her. There's no way you can forget that. So yeah, this is Tandy Gama's, and I'm using it because she doesn't want to come to Victoria, and always when I go to Joburg, I always forget it. So I'll have to find her another one and then take it to her when I go that side. That's if, yeah, but I am gonna go. I'll just get her another one. So yeah, I'm gonna pause this video, do the other side, and I'll be back. I don't know why the lighting is like this, guys, but so I lost the footage of this part wherein I was showing you both sides of the hair after doing the other side, so hence I'm putting these pictures. So guys, this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next one.